Hello. In the coming set of videos, I'm going to tell you about communication. I'm going to discuss the issue of communication. First of all, communication is an English word which is derived from the Latin word communis, meaning to share. So communication is the process, is the activity of conveying information between two or group of people. Let's have a look at the figure on the whiteboard. During communication, a message, which is a risala, is sent by the sender, al-mursal, through a communication channel, قناة تواصل, to a receiver, al-mustalim, who in turn gives back what we call its feedback. So the main components of the communication process are the message. Let's start with the sender first. The sender, the message, communication channel, the receiver, and the feedback. During the communication process, during the communication activity, the sender encodes his message, يشفر, يرمز his message to a form which is appropriate to the communication channel, and the receiver also decodes this message in order to understand it and to comprehend it before he sends back his feedback. Well, also the main components of the communication process is decoding the message, sending the message through the communication channel. We start with encoding the message, sending the message with the communication channel, decoding the message, and sending our feedback. Well, this is our first video about communication. Thank you for being with us. This is Mohammad Modallal. See you in the next video. Bye.